Started peeling off the plastic dip from this tank. Thought I'd video how easy it is to do. Doing it with one hand. Just comes off. Have to work it a little bit. Peels off in a big sheet. This is about 4 or 5 coats. Plastic dip. Seems like it's the right amount. Couple little edges there. There you go. Tank back to the way it was. Plastic dip. One chunk. A couple little remnants, but that can easily come off. Anyway, there you go. Back to the normal tank.